Are we there yet?
We are about to arrive, son.
Wow, look at those fields.
It is so peaceful here.
Peaceful? Wait until your father starts his military farm training.
Look, I think that's the farm.
Welcome to English with the Bexleys.
I missed you, buddy.
There they are! Mom! Oh, look at all of you!
Grandpa Sam!
Welcome, my little soldier Timi.
You are a bit late. Just 10 minutes. I tried my best. Late is late.
Come on, get inside. I made pie.
Yay!
Best part of the farm. And tomorrow morning, you work for that pie. Ah, there it is.
Why don't you stay tonight?
It's better we go.
But I miss my grandchildren.
Okay, tomorrow is Saturday. We can stay one night.
Yay! I'll play with chickens. Let's take a selfie.
Say cheese. What a nice photo.
No signal, I can't share the photo.
Okay, everyone. It's 10 p.m. Time for bed.
Really? Grandpa?
Your grandfather wakes up earlier than the sun.
True.
Only lazy people sleep after the sun rises.
It's too early to sleep.
Count some sheep.
I think I'll see lots of sheep tomorrow.
Good. Start practicing.
1 sheep. 2 sheep. 3 sheep. 6 o'clock! Wake up! Whoa! Good morning, everyone. Wash your face and be downstairs in 15 minutes.
Is it really morning?
It's 6:15. That's not morning. That's still night.
Grandpa, why are you awake already?
Because the farm is awake already.
Breakfast is at 7.
Pancakes?
Of course.
Best farm ever.
All right, team. Today, everyone has a job. Do I have a choice? No. I knew it. John, you will help me milk the cow. Why me? Because you are the strongest. Finally, some respect. And because the cow is bigger than Timi.
There it is.
Timi, You will collect eggs.
Roger that, Grandpa.
That's the spirit.
Easy.
The chickens may disagree.
What do you mean?
You'll see. Lily, you will pick vegetables for breakfast.
Cool. What do I need?
Tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce.
Got it.
Mary, you make the best pancakes. Can you help Betty with breakfast?
Sure.
Thank goodness.
Excellent. Let's get to work. Back here in 30 minutes. Can I go back to bed after breakfast? Nice try.
Hey, chickens! Good morning. Don't worry. I am just here for the eggs. Nice chicken. Can I have those eggs, please?
Oh no! Help! The chickens are fighting back! Grandpa was right!
Tomatoes are easy. But where are the cucumbers? Are they under the ground?
No, Lily. Look carefully under the big green leaves. They like to hide.
Wow! It's like a treasure hunt. I found a cucumber. Thanks, Grandma.
Hi, cute cow.
Be careful, John. That's not a cow. That's a bull.
What?
Sam, I think I'll help Mary with breakfast. Good choice.
Oh my god, Timi! Did you fight with a bird?
The chickens are not birds, Mom. They are monsters. But I got the eggs. Look at my vegetables. They look so fresh.
Wonderful job, Lily. Wash them, please.
John! What happened to you? Where is the milk?
There is no milk, Mary. Only a near-death experience.
Here is the milk, everyone. John made a new friend.
He was not a friend, Sam. He had horns. Big angry horns.
All right. Sit down, John. Eat some pancakes. You survived the morning.
Thank goodness. Best pancakes ever. You tried your best, city boy. Now, look at this table.
He seems tough, but he loves you.
He has a funny way of showing it.